everyone, it's King Weather here. Today we're going to be talking about all the weather information that's going to be going on right now. We're going to ice storms, we're going to two more tropical storms, and we're going to severe weather. That's all we're going to be going on today. So we're going to be talking about a lot of weather information that's going to be going on 11, 10, 20. Stay tuned for today's video because we do have a lot of things to cover, and I'll get you a lot updates on the latest information in weather to ice storms, tropics, and severe weather. Let's start off with the ice storms in Nebraska right now. Not in Oklahoma yet, but it's in Nebraska here, as you can see. Eastern Nebraska is under ice storm warnings, including one county in Iowa, and we're seeing three counties in southern Minnesota under ice storm warnings as well. Winter storm warnings continue in effect for the Twin Cities, actually. So yes, they're under winter storm warnings. We're seeing lots of winter weather here, and as you can see in these alerts. But let's get more details on the ice storm warnings. Again, we just had this in Oklahoma here. So lots of trees could fall, lots of slippery roads could happen, lots of things put in effect with ice storm warnings. They're worse than you think. Because when I had an ice storm, I did not think it'd be so bad, but we have a lot of things that happen. Ice storm warnings continue for this part of the area in Nebraska here, as you can see. The more northern part of Nebraska is actually not going to see as much ice, but more snow. But again, just because I say that doesn't mean there's not going to be ice. There's going to be ice, but lots of ice in the ice storm warnings here in Nebraska, as you can see. But that's the latest updates on the ice storm. Now I want to go ahead and show you severe weather today, along a huge cold front that's coming through. We're going to be dropping temperatures going from 50s to 40s and 30s. Bringing along big storms that's going to be going on today. We usually don't get a lot of storms in November. Again, these are not going to be super severe, just slightly on the edge of being severe. So again, we're not getting that much severe storms, but we still do get storms, and this is ahead of a cold front. So as you can see, slight risk is in effect for today. As you can see, just got updated. Look, they just updated live. Just got a much wider, now includes Chicago. So again, this is just getting worse. Did you see that just live update there? It's getting worse. It just got bigger, more widespread, right on camera. Wow. Risk is in the risk. As you can see, now in the risk. It was only in the marginal risk. Now Chicago's in the risk. So again, this is just getting worse, more widespread storms. Not worse, strong storms, but getting more in a bigger area that we're going to be seeing them storms. So it keeps updating, so it just got wider. Let's go ahead and see if the tornado risk also updated. No, I not think it did, but that is normal. So as you can see, 5% tornado risk, Chicago's in a 2% risk, as you can see here. Again, let me explain what a 5% risk is. Again, that does not just mean a 5% out of 100% chance of a tornado going on. That is just a way that the Storm Prediction Center categorizes it by numbers, so like how strong it is. But it's not actually only a 5% chance of a tornado. That's just what they call it, but it's definitely a big chance. As you can see, 5% chance here from the Storm Prediction Center. 2% chance is kind of close to the 5% here on the west side, and then more east, it stretches all the way to Indiana with a 2% chance of a tornado. Again, that is the lowest chance of a tornado, 2%, but again, you always watch out. We don't usually get tornadoes here in November, but this cold front's really strong. It's bringing back some strong storms. Just quickly look at the wind threat. As you can see, we do have a pretty high wind threat, and no less than 5% in all areas for hail, so that's good. Let's go and take a look here at the models and see what they say. So this is about 7 a.m. Local time here. It's about now. We're already seeing some drizzle showers and some thunderstorms. Pretty weak storms right here this morning here. But they are expected to get bigger as the cold front does come through. As you can see, it's coming here. As you can see, where the cold front is right now, it's about Wisconsin, just going into Illinois and almost about to leave Iowa, bringing lots of cold temperatures and storms. But as you can see, the storms are going to get stronger. Even if the cold front passes, it's going to bring lots of storms that leave behind. Go ahead and scroll this up. It's about 8 a.m., 9 local time. As you can see here, they kind of weaken at some point, but then we see a big line of storms coming in about this tonight. So that's about 10 p.m. tonight. We're seeing a line of storms coming after the cold front. Again, the cold front's way past by this point, but it's still really strong because they left by some storms that weakened. Then they got another line of storms that's going to be coming through. So let's go ahead and speed this up here. As you can see, you could see where it is. It's now into Indiana. It's actually moving pretty slowly, the cold front, but it's bringing back a lot of big storms. We're seeing some light rain just staying behind in Wisconsin, but a big line of storms right behind the cold front is coming through parts of Michigan, Indiana, and Illinois tonight. Time to out a little bit further. I know I've been talking a lot, but I want to get you aware of this. It definitely weakens after that, and clear. We have sunshine the next day. So there you go. That's good weather. Switching it really quickly, tropics. Again, I know I'm talking a lot about the weather today, and it's a pretty long video, but I'm gonna give you information. So let's quickly go through this. Tropical storm Ada is going to make, maybe the cone is really big. There's a lot of different models that say different things, so we still don't know. But tropical storm Ada is going on right now, and let's go ahead and take a look at the track real quick. That's all we're gonna look at for today. But as you can see, making landfall. The track has changed. It's going to be a tropical storm for quite a while, not doing anything on land until it does weaken to a tropical depression by 12 a.m. Sunday and making landfall at the same time. So, again, that's really, really good news. It's only going to make landfall on the panhandle of Florida, but only as a tropical depression, which is really good because that's really weaker than what we could see. That's the weakest disturbance that we could get. But let's go ahead. As you can see, a new area just formed. Well, actually, no, that's not new. But that's actually a weakening area, so sorry about that. But again, we do have an area right here. Could see another tropical storm. Let me see. That's a 70% chance. So, and then we have another bigger chance, but this is kind of going out of our viewing area here. Already seeing another tropical storm has formed. I think it's just weakened now. But we could see another tropical storm form in this red area here and go towards Portugal. So Portugal, you guys need to be prepared. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. Sorry this was a longer video, but I covered everything that's going on in weather right now. If you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment that down below, and I should be able to answer them. Stay safe, have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Stay weather aware today, by the way, because you have a pretty big tornado chance, but bye!